Hello guys, my name is Raju. Today we're gonna learn how to basic setup on WordPress. Okay, so basically after install the WordPress in the server, we need to follow some basic steps. And so basically here is the dashboard. You can see this is a refresh dashboard after install the WordPress in the server. So first of all you have to do something like the first step should be you can see on the left side there are multiple options over there, right? So you can see there is a options called settings. Okay, so in the settings you can see there are multiple options as well. So first of all you have to change the permalink setting. This is the first thing has to be done after install the WordPress, right? So you can click on a permalink settings here. So after click on permalink you can see there are multiple options you can choose, right? So for custom based WordPress development, basically you have to choose a post name. We can choose rest of the options as well, but basic default things is a post name, and the slug should be something like this. You can see this is the slug. Okay, so once you click on a post name, just click save settings. So when you save settings, the permalink structure has been changed, right? So once change your permalink, you have to choose your home page as a front page, and also you have to click on reading. You can see it here. These settings should be checked, right? As because once we uncheck, it means it is up to search engine to honor the request. So until or unless we are done with the site, until or unless we live the site, we have to click, we have to check always, right? So check it and save the changes. So when you save the changes, just go to plugin, add new. So this is the most popular plugin on WordPress, the classic editor. This is the basic plugin and it's a free plugin you can use. So always use this plugin for custom based WordPress development. So I'm just going to install the plugin first. So so here it is installed, right? So it's installed over there. So once you install, please, you need to create a page called home page or front page, whatever you would need. So first of all I am creating home. Okay, so I'm just going to publish. So you can see the slug name is html.wpdevcodes.com/home, but it's not a front page, right? It's because the front page should be html.wpdevcodes.com. So we need to set this page as a front page. So how can we do that? So so go to the reading settings and reading. So once you click on reading, you can see options called a static page. So home page should be something this page has already created from pages, right? So now you can home. Now once you select home, you can save settings. Now you just refresh. Once you refresh this, you can see the main URL is changed. So the home page, so this home page is assigned as a front page, right? So this is the basics things we need to follow for custom based WordPress development. This is the first thing we need to do. Okay, thank you.